I'm about to turn. I'm about to turn. This is great. This is great. No, not before the drop. Not before the drop. Oh, it's going to be before the drop. Oh, visor's fogging up. I can't see shit. Come on, I'm getting more blind by the second here. Oh, that's dangerous. I literally can't see. Okay. Oh, I can't see anything. Hold on, wait. There we go. That should not.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Not be. I should not do that like that. Okay. What is hitting me? Oh, the hoodie hood straps are back. That's an L. Okay. It's a chilly day to be on the bike, but gotta get that content. Oh. They need to let lane splitting be legal. Oh, I'd be gone. I'd be gone. Oh, look at her, all high and mighty. Dude, she's walking like she is like the mayor. Wow. Oh, visor's fogging up again. That's an L. I don't know why it's doing that so much now. Oh, is it because it's cold? It's because it's cold outside today. Hold my breath. NANI? I'm kind of scared of her. She's walking with a lot of authority. If she tried to handcuff me right now, or handcuff me, I'd let her. This guy's on my ass. Can you stop? No. Don't tell me. I'm turning here. And if they're turning right over that light, I'm gonna be behind them too. I can't even hear myself. That's not. Oh, because my music's not playing. I'm stupid. Oh, this whole time. Uh-oh. Not that shit again. Yeah, we'll do it this hand because this is a good hand. There we go. No, bro. Bro! Come on! I'm gonna hit a pedestrian. Hi. Oh, I know him.
Why did I wave at that?
your bike doesn't make you giggle, either you're not a man because you're too much of a wiener to say that your bike makes you giggle, or you're just on the wrong bike. But those are really the only two options, unless you're a big Harley guy. This whole front end was messed up, I think. I'll have to go back and look at that. Am I in 6th? I kind of feel bad for y'all. I talk with a slight lisp because my tongue is too big for my mouth, and when I have this helmet on, it just crushes my cheeks into my tongue, and and everything. It's when I talk, it's like, oh dude, I sound like a fucking idiot, to be honest. Am I speeding? No, I'm not speeding. You can go 5 over most places without getting any flack. They actually start shooting at you if you go 5 over. If you go anything over 5 over, they start shooting at you. Oh no. Not a hype song starting to play when I'm behind a cement truck. Oh. This guy better see me. Please don't turn, please don't turn, please don't turn. Oh, you gotta watch out for those Honda Odysseys. I really need to pause this music, bro. I have 300 milligrams of caffeine coursing through my veins, no food, and a hype song's playing. I'm just, oh, man. Woo! Woo! Oh, come on, Hyundai. Come on, Tucson. Come on. I'm getting hyped. Oh, I'm about to turn. I'm about to turn. This is great. This is great. No, not before the drop. Not before the drop. Oh, it's going to be before the drop. Don't run me over. If you don't know what that song is, just look up Dark Down Below and just go ride and listen to that, and try not to as the car guys would say, floor it. Oh, what the fuck? What was that, bro? There was like a speed bump under the asphalt. I didn't even see that coming. Oh my goodness, that scared me, bro. Whoa, you stay in your lane, sir. Oh man, dude, I love it. Riding around, it's pretty much just like playing bumper cars. Okay, hold on, let's redo that. Let's redo that. Good thing I can cut it. I'm not cutting that. Riding around is like playing bumper cars. So if this guy wants to hit me, then I might just be, you know, I gotta dodge him. Oh, there's a stop sign coming up here. That guy definitely rides a Harley, bro. Oh, I'm in neutral. That's stupid as fuck. I did not put that in neutral. Oh, I'm so embarrassed, bro. That Harley guy thinking, I wouldn't have put her in neutral. I wouldn't have red bombed at that stop sign. That big-headed sport bike rider letting everyone know he's coming. Yeah, well, at least I don't burn rubber at every stoplight to stoplight. Right, guys? Bro, I don't know how to ride. What's going on? Hello? Okay. Dude, I love riding by kids. Pause.
What do you mean by that?
I love riding by kids, and they like just wave and get all happy when they see riders. That's so cool. Are there people in that school bus? I don't think there is. No. About to fucking rear end somebody because I'm not paying attention, bro. I need to have my license revoked, honestly. Every time I ride anywhere, I almost die. I mean, I know pretty much every rider can say that, but most of the time it's other people. I'm just a dumbass. I'm sitting here looking at freaking the magical school bus, about to rear end this Mitsubishi all the way back to Japan. That's all right though. What's going on, Savannah? Love you.
Oh, brother.
I know. I'm working on a fix for the wind noise. It'll be fixed, hopefully, next video. Wasn't recording for any of that. Okay, I am. Thank